Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. Today Chullora and I have Hungry Jacks today for our mukbang, and we got the ultimate burger here. Chullora wanted one as well, and then we got the fries and the onion rings, and
nuggets.
She got nuggets. Oh, okay. And I have Coke. She's got raspberry drink. What else do we have? Yep, that's all. And sweet and sour sauce, McDonald's sweet and sour sauce. Why? Because Hungry Jacks did not add in our sauce. But look at the sauce I went and put it together just for now because I want to use something. It's barbecue sauce and mayo. So I just mix it together. It's for my onion ring, guys. Because this one over here did not ask for my mustard sauce that I like to, let's do the prayer. We did our prayer. This sauce actually tastes nice. It's mayo and barbecue sauce. It tastes nice and sweet. Because the mayo is from Aldi's. And I like Aldi's mayo because it's got that nice sweetness that I like. Anyway, I thought I'll share that with you guys. And you know when you get spare sweet and sour sauces from Macca's? Yeah, I save it and I put it in the fridge. So with times like this when places forget to give you your sauces, you got the backup. Okay. So I'm dipping this in the sauce that I just, and have a bite, guys. Mayo and barbecue sauce. Nice this one. Coming out.
That's good.
Nice, eh? Because we don't have any sauce, so I thought I'll just whip it up, see what it tastes like. And it's nice. I like the onion rings there. I can just eat onion rings and hot chips. And it's crunchy. How's everyone? We went to Aldi's today. Because Aldi's, they sell this big roll of paper towels, hand towels, for about $5, $5 or $6. But me and my kids, we go through it like nothing. I think because they waste it. But they're so worth it. They're not the best, but it's a big roll, so.
Ready? Oh, my last one was crunchy.
Oh, yeah. Feel for the crunchy ones. This one, yeah. Wait. ASMR. No, not crunchy ASMR.
Okay.
For onion lovers, they'll love this.
Mom, what is this?
But not this. I won't. I'll bit my tongue. See what happens?
What
happens when you talk too much?
What burger is this?
The ultimate burger.
Wow, this one's big. Okay.
What's in it? This is our first time buying it. I don't know, it must be me. Every time I go to Hungry Jacks, no joke, I always get the ends of the tomatoes. This one I've got the beginning of the end, and I've got the end of the end. Why don't they give me the middle? So put the burger down, let me have a look. Let me have a look if...
Middle.
See? Hungry Jacks, stop it. Cheers, guys. I always get the end bit. Oh, well, it's still nice, though.
I prefer this one with Muggets.
Hungry Jacks is good.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just enjoying the onion rings. This is the first time I've ever mixed mayo and barbecue sauce.
I thought you were going to say this is the first time I've had onion. First time.
No, I always buy onion rings. It's nice. I'm just saying this sauce.
Wow, this is a big burger. Like, look. Where's the bottom half of my face?
Oh, you have a big face.
You have.
And a big mouth to go with it. Nah. Baby, I only like teasing you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not like that. Take everything serious, eh, sweetheart? Reply to me when I'm backstabbing your dad. No. Nah, you can't backstab your father. Only me.
This is good. I haven't had a Whopper in ages. Are you sure this is a Whopper? I don't think Whopper's coming.
Ultimate Whopper.
Oh, that's why.
So, in the Ultimate Whopper, right, guys? It has nice pieces of bacon, lettuce, pickle, yum, and it's got the nice cheese, and I think it's got 2 meat patties. Hang on, guys, I don't want to shoot the garden, and I'm wrong. Yeah, got two patties.
No, brother, there's only one.
Well, how come? Look at this one.
Oh, it's like
2 thin ones. Oh, guys, this is a massive burger. Yeah, have a bite.
Yeah, I'm not gonna finish this. Ha.
How come you got more white sauce than me?
I like that about
So
it.
rude. Eh?
When we got our drinks, they were so cold.
Oh, very
So
cold.
like,
Very- I'm
just
just putting
in our
some.
freezer.
I'm just putting some onion rings in here. Nah, man. Thanks for giving me more white sauce. Yeah,
It's just mayo.
you know, Hungry Jacks. Better watch it.
Nah, Hungry Jack's is better than Macca's.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some of this. I might kill the flavor. Nah, I'll just put it in the part I'm gonna take a bite. Look at me trying to change the flavor.
The burger's already big enough.
Look
I'm
at
trying to add.
that. Oh, look. Oh, look at the sauce dribbling down that I just added on. Am I a commercial person or what? No. Oh. It's true. Burgers are better at Hungry Jack's.
Yeah.
Yum. Look at that. It is better. Way better, eh?
Then a Big Mac, yeah. Like, look how much comes in it. Oops.
That's another onion ring. I remember when I done a mukbang in the car with Hungry Jack's, and then I done that really big burger. It was
When?
so big.
When?
When me and Geneva went to Hungry Jack's, and I done a mukbang in the car. Or was it you? Near the swimming pool.
If I just asked when, what makes you think that it was me?
Because you do forget things.
No, was it me? Was it me?
This is nice. Oh.
Do you guys ever eat and they get tired?
Who?
anyone.
I remember I used to get tired after kongatis.
What's that?
When I was a child, we used to have big kongatis, and then I used to get so tired, but we go outside and play ball rush.
Oh, that dinner.
Lunch. Kongai is the Samoan lunch. So, after church, or if you don't go to church Sunday, the islanders like to make a big kongai. But sometimes it's not too much now for the people that don't really do it anymore. No, we don't do it, the kongais, but I remember I always try and get my sisters to come and do it with me. Like, we hang out and have a kongai. But they never want to, so cancel that order. Oh.
I need to see if I got sauce on my face.
Anyway, stop disturbing me, Chullora. This is urgent.
What's urgent?
This is serious business, eating. Hear my ASMR?
I want to make ASMR on my channel. They're legit.
Okay. If you get ASMR, I see me. I love these onion rings, man. You know what? I remember I bought a box of onion rings. I was eating it on the way home, and they finished just before I got home. And I regretted not buying more. So this time, I bought 3 large boxes.
Babe, there's only 2 here, so where's the third one? Oh, true.
The third one is for Noah.
That's a massive burger.
I told you should get the small one, but no, you insisted on the big one.
Bacon, cheese, meat, pickles. That's what was sweet. There's gherkin in here. Onion, lettuce. See, Big Macs can't do this.
This sauce in the burger is actually nice. Why haven't we ever mixed barbecue and mayo together? And you know what's good about this mayo? It's sweetie. The Aldi's one. $1 down.
Did you see my nuggets?
I don't have your nuggets. I don't even like nuggets.
I thought you finished my nuggets.
The only nuggets I like is McDonald's. McDonald's, they make the best nugget, I reckon. Sorry, Hungry Jacks, and KFC. Don't come for me. I'm sorry, but I'm just telling you the truth. But I like KFCs too.
I think it's better than Macca's.
Yeah? Oh, good. Yeah, they are, eh? Excuse me. Oh, look, it's like a little bunny. Look at that.
A bunny?
Look, a little bunny. It's a bunny. There's a mouth, there's an ear.
Oh,
Man, it's made out of bunny. Right?
Babe, it's called a boot. Did you know it's called a boot?
What?
It's called a boot.
What's called a boot?
I'll show you.
Yeah, they are nice. They are.
You think Macca's can beat all this?
No, I'm talking about the nugget.
Oh, this is better than Macca's.
No.
Oh, Macca's is better than this.
Macca's. Is it Macca's? Macca's nugget. See, you're getting me all confused. Chullora. Yeah, I always loved their nugget. But that is nice. You're right.
I'm always right.
Yeah, whatever. Guys, it's another ASMR one. It's got a crunch. Watch.
Oh.
Ooh, she got the soft one. Ha 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 ha. Mm. Wait. Not really. This one? Yeah, it's nice with the sauce too. Yum.
Okay, if you didn't notice it, then good. But I'm gonna tell you now. I have a style. I have a style. I don't know why.
The way I roll my eyes, guys. But I usually do roll my eyes at Chullora, but I extra rolled them because she said not to say anything. And now she talks about it.
Yeah, in the car.
Did you guys see her style? Or now you guys see it because she's mentioned it?
Yeah, I'm hoping that you didn't see it. But if you did, yeah, I got a slide.
That's so lovely. You know what? Dad cuts me off when he's on, and I cut you off. We are
So,
cut off family.
When did you cut me off? Oh, all the time.
Anyway, guys, remember I told you guys about my TikTok? Yeah. I told you guys, hey, I have a TikTok character voice, okay? And I did a video today explaining that I have a voice that I use, a character voice. Because one lady said, why does she talk like that?
Because she can.
But I said to her, it's my character voice. Like, you know, Bugs Bunny. You know.
Yeah, but everyone has a character voice.
What's up, that? Is that a character voice? Was that?
Look at her making up voices.
Was that Bugs Bunny? What's up, that? It's better. No, I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, but everyone has a character voice. You know, a phone voice. Hi, guys.
Oh, yeah. It's funny, eh? When you're talking to someone, you gotta sound real good. So this is my favorite. Hello. No, my daughter used to go, do you hear yourself say hello? And I go, what? What do I say? And she go, what do you guys say? I say, hello. Hello. She says something like, I say, hello.
No, it's like, hello. Hello.
What do you want me to say? Hello.
No, like, hi, hello. No, hello. Hello.
I don't go, hello. I go, hello.
Hi.
Anyway, you put on this voice, right? Suppose we want to sound good to the person that's answering the phone. And I just wonder, are they putting on their hello voice?
Hello.
Their nice voice? It's funny, when my older kids was younger, I'll be on the phone, oh, kid you not. We'll be sitting there, they're all sitting there watching TV with me, and then I get a phone call, or I make a phone call. Next minute, they're running around, or they're rolling around, you know, like wrestling each other, making a noise, and I'm trying to find things to chuck at them so I can go, oh yeah, oh, okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Yeah, bye. Then you hang up and go, come over here. And then that's when everything happens. Yeah. Because even though they know they're going to get a fussy, they still do it. They go, let's test our mama today and see how fast she's going to go. Candy Crush.
Oh my god. Guys, go subscribe to my channel. Oh, how many subscribers do I got?
500.
No, I reached 600.
You're slowly getting there, my baby.
I got 601 subscribers! Oh, I missed it. I went to screenshot it when it was at 600.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank yous.
Congratulations, and thank everyone that's on your channel. I'm getting sore ears listening to you.
No.
Yeah, my baby talks some more when she's on her own channel. Over here.
That's because I have to, you know, there's only me, so there's no one else to like watch, you know?
Oh, yeah, but with me, you know, I'm doing all the blubbering, eh?
I talk when I'm on your channel.
Okay, where is it? Fair. Where? Yeah? No. Oh, soft ones are gone.
Wow, this burger is too big for my face. Too big for my face. See, I ate half of it, it's still big.
This is suitable for a man.
For big man.
Man, you can eat.
Why is it gonna be for a man? A girl can eat it. See, Savannah would eat this. And probably extras.
Savannah,
No.
she can eat this whole burger. Hey. Why do you always gotta leave? Now, before we record, guys, I would say to her, don't touch me, don't lean on me, don't. Once I go, hi, I can feel her leg like moving over to me. Because it's body heat and it's frustrating to, you know, I'm all cool. And then it's all hot over here on the side. Because this one over here in the leg. Keep it over there. Leave it there. Thank you. I'm not leaning on you.
I can't help it.
No. Like last night, me and my husband and my mum were watching TV. She comes out with her cold hands out of the room, guys. And then what happened? She wants to do this, baby.
What?
And then after that, it became this to this. And then she goes, oh, you got more hands. And then she starts taking my hand and trying to warm up her cold hands with it. And I'm pushing and going, I'm going, go away. And then after that, I don't know where she got this stupid idea, but she comes in and puts her hand under my top and puts it on my stomach, insults me and says, you got a fat tummy.
Alright, no, she'll
And then I'm telling the story. Okay. And then she's warming up her hands. Then she tries to get the other hand there. And I'm going, get out. Yeah, I'm trying to chase her away and everything. And she goes, move over. You know why? Because she thinks all of a sudden her hands are all warm. And while she's insulting me. And then she grabs my blubber and she goes, Mom, you got a lot of fat. You know, I'm trying to help her out by allowing her to warm up her hand. And then she comes to insult me. You're fat. You got fat tummy. Look at your fat. And while she's wobbling it, grabs a whole chunk of it and she's wobbling it. You have to kick her off her seat. Sit properly. I'm telling everyone on you.
Oh, Lord.
But she's not doing that anymore. Once she comes with her hands, I'm going to slap her and kick her away. Would have been all right if it was doing any insult. But then she makes it worse by grabbing the chunk of blubber. Poor me.
Yeah, I was sitting next to her and I was like...
Not funny.
Okay, guys. Okay.
When we used to stay in Wellington, my hands used to be so cold, eh? And my little sister Lynette, she'll be lying there, and I go, and I start touching, and she's like, and I'm going, I'm trying to warm my hands, and now she does it to me, and I think, oh, karma. I don't know how we're gonna finish this, guys. We obviously had our capes on. We thought
Sing them the song.
we thought we were superwomans.
Sing them the song.
Whenever my kids do something that's like they're trying to be a hero, we got the song that I told my kids to sing. Well, when my older kids were younger, and one of them would do something like that they weren't meant to do, and then everyone starts singing, when the hero comes along, and everyone starts cracking up. Because, that's like, so they do it to me too, don't worry. Right, if we're talking in the kitchen or something, and I say something wrong, they start looking at each other, and then they start singing the song to me. They shouldn't sing it to the person that started it, okay? That should let me off. Yeah. So, today, guys, I want you all to sing to me and Chullora for getting these big, big burgers, and we knew we couldn't finish it. Okay, sing. When the hero comes along,
and his name,
and her name is Chullora. Bing, 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 bing. Yeah, thank you for singing with us, guys.
No one sang.
Someone said, comment down below if you said. We'll do it again, eh? When the hero comes along. Yeah, leveling up. Oh, I only got 2 more chips. Wow. Wait. At least I finished my chips. No. Oh. What about you? Where's your chips? You got heaps of chips.
Man, I thought they were finished.
Okay, you got heaps of chips, guys.
What?
When the hero comes
How
along.
does that work? What are you talking about? Why
I
am
finished
a
my
hero?
chips.
So why am I a hero?
Because you try to be a hero and want big chips and you couldn't even finish it.
I didn't get these. You did. Ah! Why not? No. Yeah, Mama, you can have it.
Disturb me when I'm trying to sing the hero song. You guys say that's our family song. When anyone does anything like a boo-boo, a blooper, we start singing the hero song. They do it all the time.
You know what I've noticed?
What have you noticed?
When we make mukbangs, I only eat for like 10 minutes and I stop because I'm full.
These are massive burgers. They're so worth the money, guys. How much were for one meal? And it's called the ultimate burger. So you get the 2 patties. They're thin patties. They're not big patties, but they're still 2 patties. And then you get 2 layers of cheese by the look of it. I'm just judging by her one. And then you get the end bits of the tomatoes. No, you guys will probably be lucky and get the bit that's in the middle. I always get the end bits. And I think to myself, how dare they? But I still eat it, and I still love it. And look, once again, it hasn't failed me. So, I think they got my picture on the wall. When they see me, they go, the end parts that we save for her, put it in the burger. That's what she did.
Hey, let's just talk about
Talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, talk about it.
oh, is that not how the song goes?
Talk about grooving. You're making the chair noisy.
Wait, you can't put that in, the copyright.
No.
Yeah.
Why? Because I sound like them? Okay, look, Maya. Gotta move on. Yeah, love a lot. Sorry, guys. I know you guys are going, oh my gosh, there's a cat squealing.
Okay, this is what's funny about my mom. I know that at my age, my mother wasn't the best child, right? So sometimes she doesn't do this to me anymore, but like sometimes after school I'll go to my friend's house. We don't do anything. We literally just sit there and chill. Like I'm doing nothing that is like that's bad, you know? And she will text my phone like, "Where are you? It's night time. What are you doing?" I'm not doing anything bad. I'm just like, yeah, but like compared to the things that I'm doing at my age and things that you're doing at my age, I'm just at my friend's house and you'll blow my phone up like, "Oh my gosh, where are you?"
The thing is like this. You text me, "Mom, can I do this?" And so I know where you are and where you're going. And if I say no, you get your at home, okay? You don't have to be over there. I'm sure they want their child to come and hang out with them. And here you are, disturbing their life with your big mouth. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Because I know you talk a lot. Okay, but bye for now, guys. Chullora's giving me a headache, guys.
Go subscribe to my channel. It'll be somewhere.
I'm not putting anything in there. Nah.
Yes, you are.
Ouch! Stop it. Guys, sorry about this.
It'll be tagged somewhere.
I'm trying to end this, Chullora. It's going past an hour.
It's Chullora on YouTube.
Yeah, bye, guys. Take care. Wait a while. Fastly for.
Bye!
No. Tidy up. Thank you. Save my burger for after. Push me.